Well, guys, check this out. Darn it. In the middle of my building of the aviary, of course, I had the window open while I was building it, and look what got in. Gosh darn it. What a mess. I better... Alright. Well, I better release that hawk before it... I'm surprised these guys aren't freaking out too much. Well, they are, but... Oh, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. But, guys, I'm just like working away out there and didn't even realize that there's a hawk in here. What a mess. Yeah, when it comes down to it, the codbird, they were really protective of their young. Cockbird there, he's pretty mad, so. Anyways, time to release the bird, or the hawk.